Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. Whiplash injuries used to be considered no big deal, but times have changed. Doctors now know that whiplash can cause lifelong pain and disability if not properly cared for when they occur. During a car accident, your head moves forward and backwards suddenly and with a tremendous amount of force. Even low-speed collisions can generate enough force to injure the delicate ligaments in your neck. During a whiplash injury, your head and neck extend beyond their normal range of motion. This can create partial tears to the ligaments around your spine and injure the disc, nerves, and muscles. A few key indicators that you might have suffered an injury include headaches, dizziness, pain into your arms and shoulders. Remember, whiplash injuries are now considered severe and often permanent injuries that happen to the ligaments of the neck after rapid back and forth motion during an accident. Over 80% of people involved in a car accident will have whiplash injuries, and more than 50% of people with neck pain after a car accident will continue to have pain 1 year after their initial injury. Receiving the proper diagnosis and care immediately can reduce your likelihood of struggling with a lifetime of chronic neck pain. Our practice is focused on accurately assessing, documenting, and treating people that have been involved in car accidents so you can get your life back as quickly as possible. So if you or someone you know has been involved in an auto accident, please schedule an appointment with us today. I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.